Hello everyone, Shadow Stalker here of Shadowcraft. I just did a little haul today at Dollar Tree and Joann's. First thing I got is a bunch of storage bins. Not bad for $1. These will last a while. This is for the little stuff that I have left over. These are new because I went to a different dollar store. I was looking for something new anyway, and my great niece picked this out for me. They're confetti tubes. I like the colors in this. And I got another batch. I like the gold, the silver, and I guess that's holographic ice. I don't know. My great niece also found me this. Great for detailed work in those quaint little corners that you can barely get to. And this is for leftover resin that I can put it in and squeeze it out instead of trying to figure it out like pouring the big bottles. This is what I use right now. I don't really like this because it's temperature gauged and you have to have, you know, a nice day to use it. Otherwise, you don't know which direction it's going. And this I got from Joann's. The price said it was like $10, but apparently it was on sale today. And I got it for like $5. If I knew there was a half price sale for this, and this was the last one there, so I would have probably gotten me 2 of these. I think it's neat. Let's open it up. Oh, I hate the noise. Well, that feels good. I love my crystals. I'm going to try to get as many crystal molds as I can. I think it's nice. Oh, so I guess that's it for now. It's just a tiny little haul. This goes with my collection for my crystals. I'll probably do a mold collection video soon. I'm not gonna worry about that. Been needing a place to put little stuff like this. This came with a kit. I think, yeah, it came with the Fan Art Richie there. I had no place to put it, so now I do. All set. I don't have to worry about losing anything when I open the bag now. Ah, we don't need a mess before we start, right? Done. That's one less thing I have to worry about. Thank you for watching. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. And if you don't mind buying me a cup of coffee, that'd be great. The link is below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Namaste.